today's lecture we are going to cover the crystal structure. The crystal structure, after the lecture you will be able to answer the questions, that is, what is lattice, what is basis, and what is crystal structure. Before starting with the crystal structure, first we'll recall the concepts for the definition of solids. Solids consist of atoms or molecules executing thermal motion about an equilibrium position fixed at a point in space. Solids can take the form of crystalline, polycrystalline, or amorphous material. Solids have stronger bonds between the molecules and atoms than liquids. Solids require more energy to break the bonds. There are three kinds of solid materials. The first one is crystalline solids, then polycrystalline solids, and then amorphous solids. In the picture it is clear that in case of crystalline solids, it is having a specific shape and that is repeating. But in case of polycrystalline solids, there are two kinds of shapes and the things are not repeating. But in case of amorphous solids, there is no uniformity, there is no periodicity. Now, definition says this type of solids: single crystal, polycrystalline solids, and amorphous solids are the three general types of solids. Each type is characterized by the size of ordered region within the material. An ordered region is a special volume in which atoms or molecules have particular geometry, arrangement, and periodicity. Now, what is a crystalline solid? After that, why to study crystal structure? We are studying crystal structure because in the microscopic level, whatever changes a solid is having, certainly whatever microscopic properties of the solid will change. So here we are talking about changes in microscopic level, the crystals and microscopic properties. So first we'll go on crystalline solids. Crystalline solids is a solid form of substance in which the atoms or molecules are arranged in a different repeating pattern in three dimensions. In crystalline solids, single crystal has an atom structure that repeats periodically across its whole volume. Even at infinite length scales, each atom is related to every other equivalent atom in structure by translation symmetry. Polycrystalline solids. Polycrystal is a material made up of aggregate of many small single crystals, that is called grains. Polycrystalline material have high degree of order over many atomic molecular dimensions. These ordered regions or single crystal regions vary in size and orientation with respect to one another. These regions are called grains and are repeated from one another by grain boundaries. The atomic order can vary from one domain to the next. The grains are usually in the range of 10 nanometers to 100 microns in diameter. Polycrystals with grains that are less than 10 nanometer in diameter is called nanocrystallines. Now, what is lattice? Okay, for lattice, here you see the example. There is a platinum molecule has been shown. The STM of platinum molecule has been given in the diagram, which is exhibiting the crystal structure of the platinum. Crystallography and the geometrical properties of the crystals are of interest. Therefore, one replaces each atom a geometrical point located at the equilibrium position of that atom. Now, crystal lattice. Each point has identical surrounding to all others. Arrays are arranged exactly in a periodic manner. Crystal structure is the combination of crystal lattice plus basis. So here, these are the crystal spaces and this is the basis which is completely forming a crystal lattice. Then here the type of basis is changing, resultantly the crystal structure is changing. This is monoatomic crystal, this is a diatomic crystal. So these diatomic crystal bases are taking place on lattice space. This slide shows you that a group of atoms which describe crystal structure. Situation of an atom at a corner of a regular hexagon. Crystal is obtained by identifying all atoms. So now, the definition of what is lattice, what is basis, and what is crystal structure is clear.